There's no better time like now for a yarn haul. I couldn't resist. I bought 2 more Premier surprise boxes, so we're gonna open this puppy up and see what they sent me this time. If you watched my last video, you know that was my first time buying a surprise box from Premier, and I did enjoy it, and I'm working on a video for all of you that features how I'm using it, what projects it's going into. I'm about halfway through the yarn, and I can't wait to finish the video so you can see how I used all of the yarn Premier sent me in my surprise box. So I figured I'd buy another. I actually bought 2. I can't wait to see what's inside. I love a good surprise. It's like your birthday, Christmas, all in one. Get into the goods. I am extremely excited for this. I think I ordered it a week ago, so I got here pretty fast. I'll go through the things that I purchased on their own, and then we'll dig into the mystery boxes. So I ordered more of these stash goals, even though I didn't need them. I couldn't resist a good deal. It was 3 for $9, and you get 2 big skeins of chenille yarn in here. This is 500 grams or 1.1 pounds. It doesn't say yards. So I got the color Sprout, very light minty green color. I bought Coral, and then the last one is Ivory. That's what I got. And then I bought 2 of their little tape measures because I thought they were super cute. So there's a froggy one in here. Let me open it up. One of these tape measures I'm going to use for a giveaway bundle. So here is the frog. You pull his eye because I think that's so cute. So I think the frog is going to go into the giveaway. I bought the little pig, which I am keeping. He works the same way as the frog. I just thought that was super cute. Cool little thing to add to a giveaway or a mystery box, something. I don't know what I'm making. I'm doing something and it's going to somebody. I also bought some hipster cotton because I have never tried this before and people keep telling me to get my hands on it, and wow, it is softer than I thought it would be. I love it. I should have got more. Oh, it's so nice. 229 yards, 100% cotton, and I got Desert Skies, of course. I forgot what I was going to use these for. I had an idea, but now I can't remember what my plan was for these, so hopefully it comes back to me. And then I got one more, and this is the color Hello Hydrangea. Very pretty. Blues, purples, a little bit of green. These are so soft. I was not expecting that. Now I know. This is what the Desert Skies looks like from the side angle. Now we have 2 surprise boxes. I'm going to keep the boxes separate because I want to do the same thing, show how I use the yarn. There's a little peek. Woo! All right, that's all you get. Ooh, I like this. I got this last time in black and yellow, and now I have it in green, and it is their anti-pilling everyday worsted luster. That is very pretty. I love it. This stuff is so soft too. Stitch please. This one seems bigger. Okay, so this one's a weight 4. The ones I got last time were weight 3, so I have a weight 4 in stitch please, and this is the color Rouge. We have 220 yards, 100% superwash wool. I've never used wool before. I have yet to use the other 2 I received in my last mystery box, but I can always use more of this. Premier Basic Chanel Brights. This is the color Amber. It's like a mustard yellow, which is great. We know I like making plushies, so that's what this is probably gonna go towards. Next up is Premier Karma Ombre. It's 174 yards, 51% acrylic, 34% cotton, and 50% nylon. It's the color Mineral Yellow. It's thick. It's a weight 5. Possible plushie? We'll find out. Another Stitch Please, and I think I already have this one. Yeah, Grapefruit. I got this in a mystery box last time, so that's cool. I have more of that. More Stitch Please. It's the color Let's Mango. Worsted weight wool. Ooh. Ooh, that is soft. Anti-pilling bamboo chunky. 80% anti-pilling acrylic and 20% rayon from bamboo. It's a bulky weight 5. Ooh. Premier Cotton Sprout Lima Bean is the colorway. I like that. It's very cute. Premier Trinket. This is cute. 75% acrylic, 25% nylon. It is a weight 1. Super fine. That is so cute. I love that. It's kind of making me think bag or wearable. Another cotton sprout. This is the exact same one I got last time, and it is hibiscus stripe. Very pretty. It's a weight 1. So I was kind of looking for little tank tops, but I don't know. These boxes cost $25 on Premier's website. We are going to total the yarns and see what they cost versus what I paid. See how much of a bargain I got. Box number 2. Ooh. Wouldn't that be funny if I got 2 of the same mystery box? I would laugh. I wouldn't be mad because there's a reason it's a mystery or surprise. I got something I was hoping I would get. Okay, and we got another Stitch Please, which I got one of these in that box too. So same thing, wait for, and it's the colorway Calypso. That's nice. Premier Bamboo Select Luxury Merino Blend. 80% rayon from bamboo and 20% extra fine merino. It's a lightweight 3. That's the color, which is called blue. Just blue. I thought it was gonna have a cuter name, but it's just blue. That's cute. It's really soft. I like this. It's 106 yards. Premier's Raffia. I don't know how to say it. I received this in my last box and I ended up using it to make something, and what I made, in my opinion, is super adorable. I might make the same thing with this and then maybe put it on my Etsy. I don't know. But if you're a Patreon member, you know what I made. Shh, don't tell them. We've got another Cotton Sprout, same color. What did I say? Lima bean? Yeah. So now I have 2 of these. So maybe I should combine my boxes since I have multiple skeins. Let me know what you think. Should I just turn all of this yarn into one video showing what I made from my yarn, or should I separate the boxes? Let me know. Another Treetop. Was Treetop the name of the other one? I didn't even say the name, did I? Yeah, Treetop. So now I have 2. There's a treetop in each, and this is the anti-pilling luster. Squishy, squishy, soft. Another Stitch Please. This is a weight 3, and this is the color Candy Apple. I like that. Nice and red. We have Premier Basics Chunky. It's a bulky weight 5, and it is quite chunky. It is acrylic. I feel like that one's gonna be hard for me to figure out what to make from it. Up next, is that too? We basically almost got 2 of the same boxes. Maybe it's because I ordered 2 and they're just like, oh, I wonder how they decide that. Like, are they already packaged? Do they package them as they're ordered? How does that work, Premier? Let us know. Anti-pilling Bamboo Chunky, which this matches the other one in my box. I think it's going to be smarter for me to just combine these boxes into one video of what I make. It helps. I can make a bigger project. Anti-pilling Bamboo Chunky. So we have 2 of these now. Got another Stitch Please. This is 100% wool chunky. It's a weight 5. That's nice. I like this color. It's called What's the Drill? Interesting. Oh my goodness. Another Cotton Sprout. I'm not complaining. These are adorable to me. So this is, again, 100% cotton, a fine weight 2. And it is the color Hibiscus Stripe. The last item from that is Premier Basics Multi-Worsted in the colorway Venus Multi. That's pretty. I like that a lot, and I know exactly what I am using this for. Which, could I pair it with something in here? That might work. So I might have to put these together. What do you think? Do those look good together? Let me know, because I already have a project idea in mind if so. That is all I got out of these boxes. I am kind of surprised. I'm also not surprised that they were so similar. I've gotten the cost of each yarn off of Premier's website, so we're gonna go through each box. I'll tell you the total all together, and then I'll tell you the total overall for the boxes. So we're gonna start with the first box I opened. So we have Anti-Pilling, the Bamboo Chunky, and that was $5.99. We have a Stitch Please Worsted Weight, and that is $6.99 on Premier's website. The Premier Basics Chanel Brights is $4.99. The Stitch Please Extra Fine Merino is $4.99. The Cotton Sprout is $5.49. Premier Karma is $4.99. The Anti-Pilling Luster is $5.49. And then the Stitch Please Worsted Wool is $5.99. Last one from box 1 is Cotton Sprout, and this is $8.99 on Premier's website. So in box 1, I received 9 skeins, and all together it came out to $53.41 if you had bought these separately. So I'd say that's a good deal. It's double what I paid for it. It is a wide variety of yarns, which I'm completely fine with. I know some people aren't as keen on this idea, but for me, I enjoy it. Let's move on to the cost of box 2 if you buy them all separately. Up first is our Raffia yarn, and that is $6.99. The Anti-Pilling Luster is $5.49. The Trinket yarn is $4.99. And then these I couldn't find as singles on Premier's website. It looks like they are discontinuing this, and they're only sold in packs of 3 right now if you do want them. And they go 3 for $9 in the pack. So we're just gonna say this alone would be $3. Another bamboo chunky, $5.99. The basics chunky is $3.49. The bulky weight 5 stitch please is $5.99. And again, the cotton sprout is $5.49. The cotton sprout stripes is $8.99. The worsted weight stitch please is $6.99. And the extra fine version is $4.99. And then the last one from that box is the multicolored acrylic yarn, and that one is $5.49. So our total for this box is $67.89, plus the $53.41 from the first box brings the total to $121.30. So I paid $25 for $120 worth of yarn, which I think is an amazing deal. So if you're interested in sampling different types of yarn, you're not sure, or you just want to explore what's out there, I definitely recommend a Premier surprise box. They're a lot of fun. I do have an affiliate link with Premier, and if you shop through that, I will earn a small commission at no fee to you. So thank you in advance if you do use my link. I really appreciate it. It helps support my channel and lets me keep purchasing things like this to make fun videos for you. That brings us to the end of the video. So let me know what your favorite yarn was out of my mystery boxes. Like I said, I am making a video where I show how I use up the yarns that I received from these boxes. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when I do come out with that video. And again, let me know when I work through these boxes, should I combine them or keep them separate? Whatever you guys decide in the comments will be what I do. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you somewhere else on my channel. Bye.